Today we are gonna make pork pepper steak sandwiches. I'm gonna marinate my pork with some turmeric, some garlic powder and some vinegar, dry chopped onions, and I'm gonna marinate with some garlic salt as needed and some black pepper. So let's marinate thin slices and some garlic powder, about half a teaspoon, and some vinegar, about 1 teaspoon, and some chopped onions, that's about half a teaspoon also, and some garlic salt as needed, about half a teaspoon. I'm going to put on both sides this one. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Mix well. A little bit. That's good. So let's add our pork. You can cover it and let it cook on high heat till it's done. It's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna flip them. Look at that. Now, depend on your stove, it can be 5 minutes or 6 minutes or 4 minutes. That depends on your stove. You can go up and down on the heat. Smells good in here. Look at that. Wow. Let it cook on that side about 5 minutes. Like I said, that depends on your stove. Wait a little bit. Cover and let it cook. So let's see. Wow. Smells good. So actually it's fully cooked mostly. I'm gonna add onions. It's time to add onions. I season my onions with some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna add my mushroom. Same thing, I season it with salt and pepper. Let's cook like about a minute or two. Then it's ready. So it's ready to put on the sandwich. I have French baguette. You can use any bread you like. This is my favorite.